What's up guys, it's Josh. Welcome back to my channel. I have a great video for you guys today, very informative. But before we jump into it, please head over to my Instagram, check out my content where I'll be posting weekly updates and also some information on a giveaway that I have coming out here pretty soon. So more details on that, but go check that out real quick. Give me a follow and stay tuned. So most of you guys don't know that recently I came from Los Angeles back to Colorado. And if you've ever been in Colorado, you know that the air is a lot drier and thinner over here. And usually that can be great, especially for your skin. You're not always oily, it dries up your acne, anything like that. However, it is not always good for your hair. Within just a week of being back in Colorado, my hair started to get a lot drier faster and my scalp started to itch, which was a major sign that you need to switch whatever products you're using and find something new. And that's what I'm gonna show you today. Now, if you've ever had dandruff or if you're experiencing it now, which is why you're watching this video, then you know some of the side effects of having dandruff. Three major ones are you're constantly itching your scalp and your hair starts to fall out a little easier. Self-confidence goes down, which is a huge one because you don't want anyone to see your snowflakes up top. And the last one being you're just irritated 24/7. I remember lying in bed and just itching my scalp and it wouldn't want to go away, so I was just frustrated all the time. Start breathing. So I had to think, okay, how am I gonna get this to go away? So I did some research and now I'm gonna show what I did that helped it go away within a week, and I'm gonna give all that information to you guys. Guys, all it takes is 4 simple items, and I'm gonna go through all of those 4 with you right now, and then the way that I used them, how I use them, and why they are effective. So the first item you're gonna need is tea tree oil. Guys, you can get tea tree oil at your local grocery store, TJ Maxx, Ross, wherever you want, or you can order online, get a little bit more of a natural tea tree oil. And the effects of them, to be honest, are kind of the same. There's not a huge difference from what I've noticed. Being said, the price range for a tea tree oil can go from anywhere from about $8 all the way to about $30, just depending on where you get it from and the brand you're buying it from. Now, the major reason why tea tree oil is super effective in getting rid of dandruff is it's an antifungal and antibacterial property, right? So it helps get rid of dandruff. And the tea tree oil clears the follicles and allows your hair to breathe more effectively. Even further than that, one of my favorite things about tea tree oil is it helps moisturize the scalp and also takes away some of the buildup of excess oil that we do not need, that our hair doesn't naturally produce. The second item that is essential for getting rid of dandruff quickly is coconut oil. Guys, coconut oil as well as tea tree. It's so slippery. Guys, just like tea tree oil, you can find this at your local grocery store. Not very expensive, just a couple bucks, no more than 10. There are numerous ways you can use coconut oil. It's crazy. I mean, you can use it to cook, you can use it for your face, your skin, your hair, and that's what we're gonna talk about today with coconut oil. Now, there are tons of reasons why coconut oil is extremely healthy for your hair. Not only does it help it grow longer, thicker, and faster, but the vitamins and the essential fatty acids naturally found in coconut oil help nourish the scalp. Now, here's the thing, guys. You are not using coconut oil separately from the tea tree oil. Now, you're gonna be combining these two into a little bowl, about a teaspoon of coconut oil, and I would say about 5 drops of the tea tree oil. Once you put them into the bowl, you're gonna actually heat it up. You can use a microwave, you can use the oven, I don't care how you use it, but you're gonna heat it up, you're gonna stir them around. Now guys, once they're combined, they're heated up, you're gonna stir them together to where they're mixed together. You're gonna pour it into your hand little by little, and you're gonna rub it together, put it through the hair until it is damp and soaking with coconut oil and tea tree oil. For me in particular, I didn't have severe dandruff, so all I did was 30 minutes and then I went and washed my hair. If you guys have more severe dandruff, go ahead, put it in there, massage it in, and just leave it overnight, right? Put a towel down on your pillows and just let it soak in. When you wake up the following morning, go ahead and wash it out. Now guys, I did this process 30 minutes with coconut oil and tea tree oil mixed together for 30 minutes twice a week. And literally within the first week, the second time I did it, I washed it out. I have not been itchy since then. I have not seen dandruff since then. My hair has been, honestly, it's been healthier than it's ever been. So this is still a practice I still use even though I don't struggle with dandruff. This is the last step it takes, guys. You've put in the coconut oil, the tea tree oil, you've let it sit either 30 minutes or overnight. you're ready to wash it out. What I did is I switched shampoos completely. I used Head & Shoulders Charcoal with Zinc shampoo and conditioner. The reason I chose this particular brand, Head & Shoulders, and the particular type with charcoal and zinc is for a few common reasons. Number one, let's talk about the zinc. Zinc plays an important role in your hair tissue growth and repair. It also helps keep the oil glands around the follicles working properly. And not to mention, a lot of hair loss comes from zinc deficiency. So providing your hair with the zinc also helps not only strengthen and supply natural oils and restoration back to your hair, but it also keeps your hair a little bit stronger, so hopefully it lasts a little bit longer. The second reason why I chose the shampoo was the charcoal. Charcoal helps to absorb deep-rooted impurities beyond what a standard shampoo can cleanse away. It is especially good for the scalp because it targets impurities at the root of the hair that can clog the hair follicles and cause scalp issues. So you combine the zinc and the charcoal to wash out your hair, as well as the anti-dandruff Head & Shoulders shampoo. That product right there, I think alone maybe could have gotten rid of my dandruff. So I definitely recommend getting Head & Shoulders Charcoal with zinc shampoo and conditioner separate, not the 2-in-1s. I'm not recommending the 2-in-1s. You guys know, if you know me, I would never do that. But the 2 separate ones, go for it. Head & Shoulders Charcoal and Zinc. Now guys, these are the 4 items I started to use, not when I had the symptoms of dandruff, but when I had dandruff. I don't have it anymore. I don't struggle with it ever, right? My hair is not dry, my scalp is not itchy. It's not a problem anymore. So tea tree oil, coconut oil, anti-dandruff shampoo, anti-dandruff conditioner. Once you get all 4 of those, gone. No more dandruff, I promise you. Sometimes it may take longer than a week. Some of you guys, it may be a week, but I promise you, if you continue to be consistent with this, twice a week, running through this routine, you're gonna be just fine. Guys, I hope this video helps. If you are struggling with dandruff, or if you're just trying to avoid ever having dandruff, start implementing these into your weekly routines. Outside of that, guys, if you do have dandruff and you start implementing these, please drop some comments below. Let me know how it works for you. It was phenomenal for me. It literally took less than a week and it was gone. So please drop those comments below. Let me know how it works. If you guys liked today's video, please like, share, subscribe, leave a comment down below on some ideas that you would like, some feedback that you have. I'm always reading through them and commenting back to you guys. So thank you so much for the support, and I will see you guys next time.